Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am sharing a closet makeover that I did on baby Jay's nursery. A lot of you guys requested this video via Instagram, so I figure I show you. I don't have a lot of footage of this video, however it is a very simple way to do this. So here's the before of the closet. This room used to be our guest room, and it had two closets divided by a wall in the middle, which I don't know why builders do this, but it takes so much space and the closet was really small. So guys, as soon as I became pregnant, I knew that I wanted that closet to be a lot bigger because I wanted to have space for the baby stuff. So here's my inspiration for that closet, as you can see on that picture. So I decided to go ahead and open the wall. Yes, I was super scared to do this because I didn't know what was in that middle wall, but it was a chance I took. So my brother-in-law helped me do this. Well, he did everything because I was pregnant. At that time, I couldn't do much. But then I went to Home Depot and I bought this closet insert. And you guys, it made it look like it was a custom closet for only like $300, I think it was. So it was such a nice little add-on to this room. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really wanted to get this video out there for those of you that asked me about the closet makeover and how the process went. Here's a little idea on what you need to do to make a closet like this. Check the description box because I'm going to leave the link to the closet insert that I use here. Also, stay tuned for a nursery tour. See you guys soon.